Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python script in which our function should return the list of dictionaries sorted by a last name and then by first name. Let's see how to implement it. First, I'm going to import operator. Then I will have list of dictionaries. It will have first name, first name Bill, and last name Gates. And now the second person, this will be first name set to this will be Joe first name and last name last would be Jones. Then I will have one more, and first false will be Gary, and the last name Owens. And now I'm going to define a function sort by names. Define sort by names. This function will sort first with the last name and then by first name, and it will take a list of dictionaries, people names, and we can return and use sorted function and pass in our list of dictionaries, that is people names, and set our key to operator dot item getter, and pass in last and comma then first. When we invoke item getter, we will get a function we can apply to each of our person dictionaries. It will return a tuple containing the values associated with last and first. So the key parameter to our sorted function will get a function back. Now we can test our function by calling and passing it to print function, so we can print the return. We can call sort by name function, sort by names, and pass in our people list, and just save our script and run and check the results. And here is the output of our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.